All right, so if you want to clear the cache on your Motorola phone, there is no one universal clear all cache setting on your phone. But you can clear the cache on an app-by-app basis. And the easiest way to do this is, first, find the app you want to clear the cache for. If you long press that app, you can then tap that little Info button, which takes you to the app info page. From there, you go to Storage and Cache, and you just tap Clear Cache. Just make sure not to tap Clear Storage, because that would reset the app completely, wiping out settings, saved accounts, etc. Whereas with the Clear Cache button, you're just clearing out temporary junk files. Another way to do this is to go to your settings and then scroll down to Storage, and here, if you go to Apps, you'll see your app storage, usually sorted by the biggest storage consumers. So, same thing, you could just look for the ones that take up the most storage and then clear the cache. Obviously, it's not going to bring the total storage to zero because the app itself will still need to take up some space on your phone to function properly. But if you need a quick way to clear cache, you could come here and check the biggest consumers and start your cache clearing with those. And that's how you clear cache on your Motorola phone. Click that like button if this video helped you, and subscribe for more easy guides like this. Thanks all, until next time.